Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to remove powered by Shopify from your store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So let's just search and look how it is going to be looking. First of all, here as you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to see that we have this powered by Shopify at the bottom of our page, which looks quite annoying. So let's just go back, and now what we need to do is simply head over to online store, and from there you can see we have this theme option. Click on customize and then simply scroll a little bit down. You can see we have this powered by Shopify. Click on that and click on this hide button, and once you do, you can see your entire footer is now gone. You can add a custom footer in here as well if you want to do. If you search in here for footer, you will have that. So let's just search for footer. So yeah, so basically it is, you are able to add a section for footer in here, and it is going to be quite simple. So yeah, that's how you remove Shopify watermark. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.